Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making 3 types of friendship bracelets that you can give to your close friends on Friendship Day. But before starting the video, if you're new or haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, let's get started. So for making this first friendship bracelet, you will need a piece of cardboard, cut it in the shape of a circle and mark the center point of it with a marker or pencil. And then with the help of a ruler, divide the circle in 8 equal sections. Now after you do that, take any sharp object like pencil, compass, anything, and then poke a hole where you marked the center point before. And also cut the small markings which you made before with the ruler. And after you do that, take 7 strings of around 25 inches long and tie a knot. Then put the string through the hole from the back side. Then place single threads in the slits that you made before. You have 7 strings and 8 slits, so one slit will be empty. So from the empty slit, count 1, 2, 3 and bring the third string to the empty slit and then rotate the circle, and from that empty slit, count 1, 2, 3 and bring the third string to the empty slit and keep doing this. And after you will see a beautiful pattern bracelet is forming on the back side. Keep doing this till the bracelet is long enough and remove all the strings and tie a knot to secure your bracelet. And cut the excess string. And you are done. For making the second bracelet, take 8 strings of around 40 inches long. Make them together and tie a knot. And then tape it on a plain surface and separate all the threads into 2 sets, one of each color on each side. Arrange it in a mirror image pattern. Then all you have to do is take the outside string on the left and bring it inside to the right, and then take the outside string on the right and bring it inside to the left. To make the bracelet nice and tight, you have to hold it in your hand. And keep doing that till it's long enough to fit your wrist. Then tie a knot to secure your work. remove the tape. Cut the excess part of the threads. This is so simple and easy handmade friendship band that you can give to your friends on Friendship Day. So, for making the third bracelet, take 6 strings of around 30 inches long. I am taking 2 red, 2 yellow and 2 purple strings. And then take all the 6 strings and tie them together. Then tape it on a clean surface so it would not move when you are working on it. And then separate all the strings. I am doing purple on the left, yellow in the middle and red on the right side. And then take the first string on the left, for me it's purple, and knot it over all the 5 strings until the string you are working on reaches the right side. Make a forward knot by creating a 4 shape over the second string. Loop the working string under and back through the opening. Pull the working string to tighten the knot. Move on to the yellow and then finally red strings. And also make sure to always knot twice. And our first line is completed. And then take the outside string, which is purple again, and do the same thing as we did before. Then take the other string, which is now yellow, and knot it over all the other strings. You have to repeat this process until it's long enough to fit your wrist. And after you get the desired length, tie a knot to secure your bracelet. Then remove the tape and cut the excess strings. And we are done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.